Hello and welcome to another math video with Mrs. Tricalo, and we are preparing again for the SATs, and I stumbled upon this problem the other day, so I wanted to make sure that you understand that when you have a line tangent to a circle, two things that makes a 90-degree angle over here. Sorry, one second. It makes a 90-degree angle right here where it hits the circle. So that's your 90-degree angle. This is a tangent here. That's a 90-degree angle. And then this line and that line, they are congruent, okay? So let's look at this problem. It is telling us that the circumference of the circle is 96. The circumference of the circle is 96. What is the length of minor arc? That's your L right there. It's a little cut off. What is the length of this arc? Okay, so we're going to use a couple rules here. Let's say we don't know that that's 120. I wrote that in, but you wouldn't know that. So how would we solve this? Well, we would say the following. If this is a tangent, which it tells us it is, automatically I know that this has to be 90 degrees and this has to be 90 degrees. So I wrote that in myself. That must be the case based on the information that they've given us. Okay, and then I can see that the shape of this polygon right here is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral, all quadrilaterals have 360 degrees altogether. So 90 plus 90 is 180. It's the two 90-degree angles, 1, 2, and that one is 60. Well, that's 240, right? So if there's 360 degrees altogether in that quadrilateral and 240 have been given to me, you can see right here where I did the math and got 120. So now I know that this angle is 120 degrees. And I also know, because I gave you the rule, here is your rule right there. I know that these two have to be equal, okay? Because that's the rule. So now what can I do with that? Well, knowing that they're equal, made me know that okay, let's just erase that last 20 seconds out of your memory. So now what we're going to do is we're going to say, I know that if this is 120 degrees, I know that, well, I know that a circle, and I hope you do know that too, that a circle has 360 degrees also. So does a quadrilateral, they both do. And so I made my other video where I taught you that formula to help you remember circumference and area. But if you can remember that cherry pie is delicious, which it is, then we know that C equals pi d. And I know that 96 is the entire circumference. They tell us that, and actually you don't even need to know that at the moment. And then you want to find, well, 120 degrees out of 360 degrees is the part of the circle. Well, the zeros cancel, and 1236 can be reduced to 1/3. So you're really just saying, well, what is 1/3 of 96? And 1/3 of 96 is short enough, 32. And so that is 32 is the length of the minor arc, 32 units, whatever the units that they are in. Okay, if you enjoyed that video,